A very good morning to everyone. Students, now we will study about the chapter nouns. Okay, so you all are familiar with the word nouns. What are nouns? Words that name people, animals, things, places, qualities, feeling, events, organization, concepts are called nouns. चाहे कोई भी person हो, animal हो, thing हो, place का नाम हो, चाहे कोई quality हो, feeling हो, these all are taken as nouns. Now the next exercise, circle all the nouns in this story. Circle all the nouns in this story. An elephant and a mouse were good friends. The mouse grew some peas and carrots in his garden. The elephant grew pumpkins, bananas, sugarcane in his large farm. One day they decided to have a picnic. They played in the fields and ate some delicious food. They had chilled juice, a bowl of salad and lots of chips. The elephant and the mouse were very happy. So what are the nouns in this paragraph? Elephant, mouse, friends, peas, carrots, garden, pumpkins, bananas, sugarcane, farm, fields, food, juice, salad, chips. ये क्या है? सब nouns हैं. Okay, now types of nouns. There are two types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are names we use for any person. किसी भी person, place, idea और thing की हम बात करते हैं. But proper nouns are names used to name a particular person. जब हम किसी particular person, place, idea और thing की बात करते हैं, that is called a proper noun. Okay. For example, common noun, woman, country, author. Proper noun, Mother Teresa, Saina Nehwal, Sri Lanka, William Shakespeare, India. Okay. Now next exercise, you have to find out the common nouns and proper nouns related to this paragraph. Okay. So what are the common nouns in this paragraph? Pajamas, raincoat, shoes, cards, sister, man, friend. Okay. And the proper nouns, these are the particular names: Harry, Greenwich, Maggie or John. Now next thing that comes is countable and uncountable nouns. आप लोग जानते हो common nouns can be countable or uncountable. Okay, countable nouns consist concrete nouns, for example baby, tiger, table. Uncountable noun, abstract nouns, happiness, anger. Countable nouns are those which we can count and they have singular and plural both forms. Singular और plural दोनों ही forms में होते हैं. One river, many rivers. A girl, three girls. और uncountable nouns, they have only one form, that is singular form, and they cannot be used in the plural. For example, furniture, money. Money और furniture दोनों क्या हो गए? Uncountable nouns हो गए. Okay, concrete nouns are nouns that you can see, hear, smell, taste और touch. जिनको आप सुन सकते हो, देख सकते हो, smell कर सकते हो, touch कर सकते हो, taste कर सकते हो. And abstract nouns name an idea, a feeling, a quality or a state, things that you feel or think about but cannot see, hear, smell, taste और touch. लेकिन आप उसे देख नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, smell नहीं कर सकते, taste और touch नहीं कर सकते. So what are the abstract nouns among all these 6 words? Fair, peace and beauty. Okay. Now next is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are not normally used with a और n. a और n के साथ इनका यूज नहीं किया जाता है. They do not take the plural form since they cannot be counted. They do not take the plural form. उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा जाता और उनको काउंट भी नहीं किया जा सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फंस, मिल्क्स, a soap, a money, etc. Okay. Now some feelings are given: love, anger, hunger, happiness, qualities, kindness, honesty, politeness, generosity, and travel, accommodation, money, information, luggage, food, rice, soup, butter, spaghetti. Okay. Now the exercise, you have to write CC for countable and concrete nouns or UA for uncountable abstract nouns next to the words. Book काउंटेबल है, सैडनेस जो है आपकी अनकाउंटेबल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है, एंड स्पून काउंटेबल है, डॉक्टर काउंटेबल, हंगर अनकाउंटेबल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, जॉय अनकाउंटेबल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, फ्रेंडशिप अनकाउंटेबल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, पेंसिल काउंटेबल, टेस्ट अनकाउंटेबल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. ओके. नाउन्स नंबर. अब नंबर आप लोग जानते हो, जब आप किसी एक चीज की बात करते हो डेट इज टेकन in the singular form, and when you are talking about more than one thing that it is in plural form. Okay, castle, castles, queen, queens, witch, witches, dress, dresses, child, children, woman, women, goose, geese. Book, books, house, houses, glass, glasses, box, boxes, man, men, men, deer, same, deer, mouse, mice. In the G exercise, there are some words given and you have to change it into plural form. Child, children, rose, roses, goose, geese, hen, hens, watch, watches, foot, feet. Next exercise, there are some things that you will write in the plural form. Okay. Spectacles, scales, luggage, binoculars, furniture. Okay, and they are always taken in plural form, and plurals that need plural verbs जैसे scales हैं, कोई भी tools हो सकता है, instrument हो सकता है, जैसे pieces of equipments हो सकते हैं, scales, handcuffs, glasses, headphones, pajamas, jeans, shorts, socks, trousers. कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड. प्लूरल नाउन्स जो होते हैं उनको आप द और एन के साथ नहीं लिख सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आर ट्राउजर्स, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. दे नीड प्लूरल वर्ब. दीज ट्राउजर्स आर. सम ऑफ दीज प्लूरल नाउन्स कैन बी मेड सिंगुलर. सम ऑफ दीज प्लूरल नाउन्स कैन बी मेड सिंगुलर बाय यूजिंग. क्या यूज करोगे जब आप उसे सिंगुलर में लिख सकते हो? अ पेयर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स. कुछ प्लूरल नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको आप प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में लिखते हो और उन्हें सिंगुलर वर्ब की नीड होती है. द न्यूज इज गुड. मैथमेटिक्स इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट. नेक्स्ट आता है लास्ट इसका जेंडर. अकॉर्डिंग टू जेंडर कितना हो गया आपका? देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर. मैस्कुलिन जेंडर नाउन्स, फेमिनिन जेंडर नाउन्स, and common gender nouns, neuter gender nouns. When you are talking about the male species, it is called masculine gender. Female species, it is called feminine gender. And next is common gender can refer to either gender. And neuter gender are name non-living things or ideas. Now in the exercise, you have to change the gender. For example, nephew, niece. Landlord, landlady, gentleman, ladies, bridegroom, bride, son, daughter, heir, heiress, uncles, aunts, lions, lionesses, tigers, tigresses, witch, wizard, princess, prince. Last exercise, countable and countable you have to find out and also write the gender of that word. Bread, countable, neuter gender. Mare, countable, feminine gender. Paper, uncountable, common gender. Oil, uncountable, neuter gender. Emperor, countable, masculine gender. Shelf, countable, neuter gender. Star, uncountable, neuter gender. Donkey, countable, masculine gender. Actress, masculine actress, feminine gender. Sneakers, countable, neuter gender. So these are the exercise. Okay, thank you.